In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn PowerPoint presentations into YouTube videos. If you've built a great deck and want to reach a wider audience, turning it into a video is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and setting up your slide transitions. Head to the Transitions tab and pick a transition style that matches your content. Subtle options usually look more professional. Then, make sure each slide advances automatically by setting a specific duration. This timing controls how long a slide stays on screen, which is essential for pacing. Uncheck advancing on mouse click if you want the whole show to run hands-free, and aim for consistent durations unless a particular slide needs more time. Next, record your narration. Go to the Slideshow tab and choose Record Slideshow. Confirm your microphone is selected and your input level looks healthy, speaking clearly without peeking into the red. Record in a quiet space, keep your notes handy, and speak naturally. Leave a small pause at the start and end of each slide, and add a brief pause when you transition between slides so your audio doesn't get clipped. If you stumble, you can re-record the current slide rather than starting over from the beginning. After recording, fine-tune your slide timings, return to the Transitions tab, and adjust the automatic advance time for any slide that needs more or less breathing room. A quick preview using the slideshow playback helps you confirm that your visuals and narration feel in sync. Now you're ready to export as a video. Click File, select Export, and choose Create a Video. Pick MP4 for the best compatibility with YouTube. While you're here, select a quality setting such as Full HD if available. And be sure to use recorded timings and narration so your audio and slide durations are preserved. Click Create Video, choose where to save it, and let PowerPoint render. This can take a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your presentation. Keep the app open while it processes. Finally, upload to YouTube. Open YouTube Studio, click Create, then Upload Videos. Select your exported MP4 file. While it uploads, add a clear, searchable title, a helpful description, and a compelling thumbnail. When you're happy with everything, choose whether to publish immediately or schedule it for later, and you're done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.